which brings us to a total of $1,992 minus the $594. This gives us a profit of about almost $1,400, and I'm still happy with locking at 1,400. I mean, that's some people's monthly paycheck, right, babe? Are you happy? See, even my girlfriend's happy, guys. This is big money. I mean, hello, investors. Welcome back to the channel. So today's a pretty big day. The coronavirus is spreading quickly, and stock markets are tumbling down. So currently, the Dow futures are about negative 900 points. The markets are doing really horrible right now at about negative 3%. So what I did on Friday was I bought some VXX calls. So right here we can see I have 9 contracts of the VXX calls, and my average price on that was about $66 per contract. Equity value of $621 currently. This should have a nice pop at the open, and we'll see how much profit we make. All right, guys. So the market's about to open in about 1 minute. So we're gonna see what type of gains we've made. We have the contracts right here. I'm assuming they're going to be worth probably around $180, $190 per contract. We're going to have to see what happens at the open. Currently, VXX is trading at $17.17. According to my calculations, I mean, the market's down, 3%, the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. So according to my calculations, this stock should have been trading closer to $18 per share, but, it's at around $17, which is still decent, I'm sure we're going to lock in some good profits on this one, so I'm not worried about it. So yeah, we're just going to wait now for the open and see what happens. We got a couple more seconds, probably like 30 more seconds until markets open. I'm probably going to sell most of these. All right, guys, so I'm going to lock in my profits right now, actually. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, sorry about that. For a second, everything glitched up, and I was kind of freaking out what was going on. But we went ahead and sold about 8 contracts, so we have 1 contract left. Let's see if it'll update once I open it up. It still says I have 9, but I'm going to go ahead and sell this last one as well. I'm just going to lock in all my profits. I'm selling all 9 contracts just because I don't want to get stuck, I guess you could say. Alright, guys, sorry about the clip. Robinhood kept glitching up. So this is, this was very dangerous, because imagine if markets started recovering very quickly, which they kind of did. It recovered about 100 points almost, and VIX went down to about 1666, and it was at the open, it was trading at around 1721 or 1720. But as you guys can see right here, I ended up selling, my original buy was nine contracts for $594, and then we sold 8 contracts at first for $1,792, and then we sold another contract for $200, which brings us to a total of $1,992 minus the $594. This gives us a profit of about almost $1,400, and this was over the weekend, literally. On Friday, I was looking at the market and thinking to myself, well, it looks like markets are going to continue to go down. I wasn't expecting this much of a drop, honestly. I was expecting maybe a 200 or 300 point drop. But also, according to my calculations, I should have made a lot more. In my calculations were saying that VXX should have been trading at around $18 a share, but it was only trading around 17, as you guys saw. Now, I'm not too sure. I don't follow that stock a lot. I know it's the volatility of the S&P 500, but yeah, it would have made another $1,000 profit if that would have happened. But I'm still happy with locking at 1,400. I mean, that's some people's monthly paycheck, right, babe? Are you happy? See, even my girlfriend's happy, guys. This is big money. I mean, big money plays right here. Now, I will be continuing to watch VXX, UVXY, SQQQ, and including SPY, and maybe I'll buy some more calls, but not as drastic as I did this time. Maybe I'll play with some of the house money, I guess you could say. But for any of you guys that are interested in options, this is how it works. So basically what happened on Friday, I had these this was the $15 contract. I did a buy a call for February 28th, as you can see right there. And on Friday, this was this $15 call right here was worth $66. So right here, instead of saying 175, it would say 0.66, and that's pretty much per share, because each contract has 100 shares in it. So 0.66 was the original price. Currently, it's at 175. So right there you can see that's $1.11 or $1.10 profit. but I did sell earlier for what, 220, I believe it was the average. So it was even higher because as you can see at the open, the high was 2.40, and that's why I sold 8 shares or 8 contracts, because I knew that the market might start recovering a little bit, or it could start going down, and it did start recovering. So it's a good thing I sold 8 at first, and I was thinking of holding that last one and seeing what happens these next few days. But then Robinhood started glitching up, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna sell this and lock in all my profits. But yeah, guys, basically, the stock was trading at around $14 when I bought it on Friday. When it opened, it was about $17, so that's almost a two. Yeah, that is a $2 gain actually. So pretty much, that's how I made the $1,400. You know, trading options is very dangerous though, because you could lose or make money very, very quickly. Look, it's still glitched in saying that I own a contract. Oh, there it goes. It finally went to zero. Yeah, I don't own any more contracts. I sold them all out. But yeah, this is a very good day. $1,400 profit. I'm going to continue to follow this coronavirus, because this virus could keep the market down for a while. I'm going to be seeing what's going to be happening these next few days. I know like Korea and Italy are having some major spreadings. A lot of people are getting sick. But yeah, guys, this is exactly how I made my $1,400, in pretty much since Friday. So I didn't do anything over the weekend. I just waited until the markets opened, no work, and made that profit. So yeah, if you guys are interested in options trading, leave a comment below. I'm actually going to make a video on it. Make sure you smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time.